Welcome. I just want to understand simple repair of laptops. For today we'll be looking, this is an HP laptop. I think it is HP 250 G3 model. Let us understand how the parts of laptops before we proceed. Parts of laptop is made up of, as you can see, the first one is the screen and the keyboard. Has input and output. Okay, the main thing there, we have input parts and output parts. This is a keyboard. Let's proceed. How to remove the keyboard. First one, how do you remove a keyboard? We have formula of removing keyboard, as I show you. Next, remove this powerful keyboard. And then you also disconnect this one. Then you remove this. Okay, thank you. And this is the main motherboard. Main motherboard has been connected with input and output parts. Output parts, including screens and these outputs, USB drives and others, and sound outputs. Also, we have output including fan. This is a connector that connects the main screen to the motherboard. So we'll have to disconnect it. This is a wireless connection including Wi-Fi, hotspot and Bluetooth. This is connection of power to the main board. And then this is fan connect. This is where it connects to motherboard. Understand it well. As you can see, these are speakers. These are speakers which play output audio from the main motherboard. This is where it is being connected to. As you can see, this is a set of that used to play DVD and USB drive, DVD and DVD, VCD, all those discs they play here. It is being connected through here. It used to play that. As you also can see, this is a hard disk. Hard disk is being connected to motherboard through this segment. This is hard disk HDD. Mine is 1 terabyte. This is the main motherboard. Okay, this is the main motherboard of a laptop. This is a RAM. This motherboard of mine has 2 slots of RAM. This is a 2 GB RAM. This is a MSFOT used to store energy for the purpose of the motherboard to not forget the information in it. Not only the screen, the fan, and the other things, output speakers. Without forgetting, this is the battery. This is the battery without forgetting. Okay, for the chapter, let me take you through the parts of the motherboard. Motherboard has been, as I have been trying to tell you, has output and inputs. As all of those things that I have been checking out was inputs. This is the output section. This is where data communication makes in. This is USB ports, and this is audio outputs, where you can connect your audio outputs to various places. Then motherboard is made up of millions and millions of gates. I think when I talk about gates, you understand there is many different types of gates. that made up motherboard, but they usually differs from the years as technology continue to grow. As technology continue to grow, you see, as you can see under repair, these most this motherboard has been outdated. For nowadays they don't do, but for nowadays we have the modern motherboard, but I think this is 2012, 2010 models, but also they are okay. In the next episode we will be discussing about all these gates, all these transistors, all of these. This motherboard has many millions and millions of transistors, capacitors, resistors, ICs. So processors we'll be discussing, and also we'll be discussing the flows of currents on all of these coils and where. So keep with me. In the next episode I will teach you all of these things that are being found on this motherboard. Thank you for being together. Let us meet in the next episode. Then try to analyze how the power moves from one place to another, the breakdown of the 19 volts to 3 volts to 1 volt. All of those things we'll be discussing in the next episode. Thank you.